Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup Yippee noodles. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 1 packet of Yippee noodles and about 2 cups of water. Next, bring the water to a rolling boil in a medium-sized pot. Then, carefully add the noodle cake and the seasoning sachet. Stir gently to separate the noodles and allow them to cook thoroughly. To begin, you'll need 1 standard packet of Yippee noodles, which typically includes the noodle cake and a seasoning sachet. You should also measure out approximately 2 cups of water. For those who enjoy extra flavor and nutrition, consider having some chopped vegetables like carrots or peas, or a protein source such as a fried egg, ready to add. A medium-sized saucepan is ideal for cooking. Start by pouring 2 cups of water into your pot and bringing it to a vigorous, rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once the water is boiling, carefully place the noodle cake into the pot, along with the entire contents of the seasoning sachet. Use a fork or chopsticks to gently stir and separate the noodles. Allow the mixture to simmer for about 3 minutes, or until the noodles are tender and the broth has thickened slightly. Once your Yippee noodles are perfectly cooked, carefully pour the hot soup into a serving bowl. For an extra touch of freshness, you might garnish it with some chopped cilantro or spring onions. If you prepared any optional additions, like a perfectly fried egg or some shredded chicken, now is the time to add them. Serve your delicious Yippee noodle soup immediately to enjoy it at its best, warm and comforting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.